Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com.
Up first, more than $1 billion has reportedly been misappropriated from local investment firm Stocks and Securities Limited SSL, and from all indications it could be higher as investigators probe the incident.
Up to news time, the chief suspect had not been charged. The incident, however, has been sparking debate about whether this is the largest fraudulent scheme locally in recent history. Javon Keys has our story.
TVJ News understands that a former manager at Stocks and Securities Limited SSL has been implicated in the fraud. She stole money from roughly 40 investors. According to sources, the fraudulent activity dates back from as far as 2010. It is believed that the employee in question has allegedly been selling shares of SSL clients without their knowledge while providing them with false financial statements. She's represented by attorney Tamika Harris.
I can confirm that I do represent the person the police have some interest in. I can confirm that the person has not yet been charged, and we are in dialogue. I do believe that the police officers want to do a question and answer, and she is making herself available. I have indicated to them her willingness to come in and have that dialogue and have that discussion, and we are arranging a date and time.
SSL confirmed the incident in a statement, indicating that its management, quote, became aware of fraudulent activity by a former employee of the company, unquote. It says, quote, following initial internal investigations, the management referred the matter to the relevant law enforcement authorities to facilitate a thorough and complete examination of all aspects of the matter, unquote. To ensure the integrity of the probe, the company says it has taken steps to secure its assets and strengthen internal protocols to detect suspicious activity in the shortest possible time. The company says it will continue to liaise and cooperate fully with law enforcement throughout the investigation and ensure that the responsible parties face the full consequence of the law. It's understood that the Financial Services Commission (FSC) has mandated a pause in SSL's operations, citing what it calls exposure to possible fraudulent activities. The matter is being investigated by the Fraud Squad with help from the Financial Investigation Division (FID). Javon Keys, TVJ News.